All right, this is take one. First filming of psychic development exercises here for YouTube. First, what I like to do is clear the space. So I open the psychic development exercise training with the highest of good and healing intentions, and for all people who come across this video and want to tap into their psychic awareness, that they do so in the highest light and the highest timeline. I'm surrounding the space with pure light and love. Only beings of the highest good and healing are permitted to participate, meaning that when you are connecting to your guides to help you, when you are connecting to angels, when you're connecting to source, the only beings that are permitted to help you with your psychic development are those of the highest good and healing with the highest intentions for the best of all. Any beings less than that are not permitted in this space. Leave now, do not return. Okay. I suggest that every time that you tap in to work with anyone on a psychic level or read for anyone, that you do what I just did there. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to start easy. Since I can't see what I'm doing, hopefully you guys can see all those. Okay. So what you want to do is tap in, and what I mean by that is you tap into the energy of the exercise, you tap into the energy of the task at hand. And the task at hand right now is that me, Lindsay, is going to choose one of these spoons. And you are to observe with your psychic awareness which spoon I choose before I choose it. So you're going to tap in to your awareness, meaning you tap into your inner guidance system and request the information of which spoon that Lindsay chooses. There's all different kinds of ways that you can do this. It's going to be up to you to figure out what works for you. And the way that you do that is through practice. And then once you figure out what works for you, then you can use that over and over to retrieve information. Okay, so which one do I choose? Pause if you need to, because I'm just going to keep going. This one. This is one I chose. Okay, now did you get it right or did you not get it right? If you didn't get it right, look back and pay attention to how the information came through. Because however it came through, you don't want to use that way of receiving again, because it's not reliable. Now here we go. We're going to do the spoons again, but I'm going to do something a little different, so pay attention. These are also visual exercises. So your mind's eye, which is your third eye vision, which has been called your imagination, it's the same thing. Your imagination, which is also your psychic vision, will show you the answers to the questions that I'm asking you. And it'll be a real quick flash through your head. And you'll chalk it up to your imagination, which we have all been taught to do. But in fact, it is your psychic vision. Period. Okay, so I'm going to turn two of these spoons upside down. So pointing the opposite way that they're pointing now. Which two spoons do I do that to? Which 2 spoons do I turn upside down? And you can take it even further. In which order do I turn them upside down? Pay attention to your third eye vision and what your imagination shows you that I do. So you'll get a little image go through your mind that we have been programmed to think is our imagination, and that it doesn't mean anything, when in fact it is your psychic vision and it is showing you the answer. Do you see how we've been conditioned out of these things? We've been conditioned out of our power. All right, so this one, and then this one. And there you go. All right, so this was a quick video. It was just a little dry run to see how you guys like this. And if you would like to see more longer form videos like this, please let me know. All right, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.